Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the powerful and practical world of Teamwork.com's event management feature, your 2025 guide. We'll begin by logging into your Teamwork.com account. This is your starting point, where all your project management activities find their home. Now, look for the calendar feature on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. It's your hub for scheduling, tracking, and managing events. Once you've found the calendar, it's time to create your event. Hit the Add Event button, typically located at the top or the corner of your screen. This helps us because it allows us to populate our calendar with all the necessary details for our event, from the date and time to the attendees and reminders. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite your team. Click on the Invite Team Members button, usually found under your event details. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. An invitation is being sent to each team member's email, allowing them to accept and add the event to their own calendar. This ensures everyone is on the same page and aware of upcoming tasks. Next up, we'll set reminders for our event. The reason we do this is to ensure that no one forgets about the event, especially if it's scheduled far in advance. You can set multiple reminders at different intervals, say 1 week before, 1 day before, and 1 hour before. Finally, once the event is over, make sure to mark it as completed. You can do this by clicking on the event in your calendar and selecting Mark as Complete. This helps us because it keeps our calendar clean and up to date, showing only the events that are still upcoming or ongoing. And just like that, you've successfully utilized Teamwork.com's event management feature. Now you're all set to manage your events effectively and efficiently. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.